This is our customer. He came from England. Now we'll try the Titan series.
Yes, let's have a look. Let's see.
准备好了吗？
Okay. Okay, it's ready. No. First, start the engine first. Turn off the off. Okay. Now turn on. Okay.
加油门。
Okay, now turn off the engine.
Stop.
Okay, very good. Hello, sir. How about feeling?
Yes, impressive.
That's very good.
Yeah, very good. I'm impressed with it.
Okay, thank you.